All right, guys, what's good? What's good? We are on. All right, bet. All right, what's going on, guys? Appreciate you tuning into this video. This is your boy Self-Pay Keem. You're tuning to Self-Pay Keem TV, and this is a video walkthrough on Qmee. This is a site that I have been working with for a while. It's actually a survey site that pays you to obviously do surveys. They pay you to surf the web. If you like to make purchases online, they actually give you rebates and cashback prizes on that as well. But this is definitely a site that I have been working on for a while, or working with for a while. And I wanted to make a video to show you guys exactly how I'm earning passive income. If you're someone that is new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. This channel here is dedicated to affiliate marketing, digital marketing, entrepreneurship, and business branding. So like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, show some love to the channel. And without further ado, we're going to jump right in. Now, this is a site, like I said, that pays you to participate. This is not a get rich type opportunity. You're not going to make, over $100 within a day, but on the fly to, earn some type of money, 5, 10, maybe $15 a day. It is definitely possible with the methods that I have set up for you to start making money. Now, I'm straight to the point, and I want to be able to, speak with you guys on a level where, a lot of people out there, they may be either struggling, they may be going through some financial crisis. Obviously, the economy is still real bad. There's not a lack of jobs. There's a lack of opportunity. There's a lot of people out there that might be struggling and don't have a place to stay. And we know how that goes in regards of being in the street. It can be very hard. You can actually spend more money being homeless than you do in an actual residence. So this particular platform and other platforms I have in regards of passive income and doing surveys, this is something that can actually help you get over the hump. In times when I was broke, I actually was using the site. And when I wanted to invest in myself more into another program or an opportunity, I actually stayed diligent and mustered up the money I needed to participate. Anything that's worth having and or anything of value is worth purchasing. And if someone is, giving you an opportunity to show you a different way versus you thinking that you can't participate, you can't join up to something because I don't have enough or I don't have enough time, well, this really defeats that ideology, because you can do this at any time. This is completely free to join up. And they also have a referral bonus as well. So if you're interested with that and want to show others how to make money with the site, you can share them your link. And when they earn money through the website, you also earn as well. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough. And I want to make another video that's going to do like a back office walkthrough to show you guys exactly what the back office, once you make your account, what the back office entails, how to maneuver around. I'm actually going to show you guys methods on what I do to not just be doing surveys all day. I know a lot of people say, oh, well, surveys take too long. I don't have the time, but it's possible to generate $5 to $10 to $15 a day if you kind of like have a structure regarding of how you do these surveys, how you work these sites, right? So it's about mindset, having a roadmap, and just having a clear direction on how you can earn passive income, right? So this is Qmee here, and the link is going to be in the description of this video. It's a earn real cash with paid online surveys. They have all types of reviews. They have a 4-star rating on Trustpilot. As you see here, there's additional reviews that just came in. Really great website to use. Qmee helped me out quick. Real paying, fun, and informative surveys. A great platform to earn some quick change. The website page is easy to navigate, and everything is explained well. So let me touch on these real quick. Now, I really enjoy Qmee because, to be honest with you, it pays fast. Now, if you're looking for something that pays out quick, like regarding, doesn't matter if it's 5 cent, 10 cent, with Qmee, unlike other survey sites, they pay out at any threshold. So if you do a survey, and you know how some survey sites, you go through them and you might have been on a survey for like, 5 to 8 minutes, and got through it and you didn't earn anything. Now that's going to happen for the simple fact that there's a threshold in regards of how many people that these survey providers want people to take those surveys. So there is a threshold on how many accumulative people take a particular survey. So sometimes when you might see a survey that's like $2 or $5 or what have you, and you're like, let me jump on that. And the survey says it's going to take about 5 minutes to 10 minutes to complete. But then when you complete it, it's not meaning that the survey is not legitimate. It just means that it's reached its threshold of people to take that survey. Okay. And sometime it, and also not sometime, but also Qmee is very informative in current events, in current point of views and different things that's going on in the world. All right, so it is very, very informative. It also gives you ideas on the new products that's coming out, new services that's coming out, like home-based products that may be coming out. Sometimes they give you information on new apps that might be coming out. So most of the things that come out before it gets publicized big, they are usually in these type of research group apps and research group networks where people are trying to implement it out there, where people can, and in these providers, these survey providers and these people who make these products can get your point of view. So your point of view matters, right? Your point of view matters in regards of services and things that we use every day, right? And Qmee is a network that pays you for your opinion, right? This is real paying, fun, and informative. It's a great platform. It's easy. Let me tell you guys, this is so easy to earn money, right? And like I said, I'm gonna go through another video and show you guys as far as how much I've made. It's all about determination. It's all about persevering with something like this. And because it's, unless you have people that sign up under you and people that actually want to partner with you and want to earn passive income while you're showing, a site like this, then it's definitely something that you can earn income without you even having to do surveys after a while. So that's what I'm looking to provide to you guys. And what I'm looking to attain myself is passive income where I don't have to do all of the heavy lifting. So make sure you guys grab that link in the description. And also, again, the website is very easy to navigate. They have an easy website to, basically get the basic information. They also have an app, and you can download the app to be more flexible with you. So if you don't have your tablet or your laptop or desktop computer, you can just pull out the phone and do some surveys, right? So you can earn anytime, anywhere. You can make money on your commute, get some extra cash in your downtime. You can earn while you study. Usually sometimes if I'm just walking somewhere, maybe going to the store and I'm not in a rush, I might pull up my phone and just knock out a few surveys. I might earn some change, maybe $1 real quick, $2, sometimes $3. Sometimes Qmee pays you like a big, reward fast versus sometimes you just going through a bunch and you're earning small amounts. So it's all about you just, taking your time and doing the app and doing the surveys, right? You can use PayPal. My personal choice to get paid is PayPal. You can cash out however you want and whenever you want, right? It says have your rewards any way you choose with no minimum cash out amount and a variety of ways to withdraw your earnings, including PayPal, Venmo, and gift cards. You can cash out whenever you like and however you like. There are gift cards that you can purchase. There are another choice of Venmo that you can side with to withdraw your earnings, and PayPal. I've been using PayPal for a while. I have never had any problems with PayPal. And for me, it's just easier to me. Moving along, your opinion matters. As I was saying before, there's a reason survey providers pay for completed surveys. Your opinion matters to them. By answering surveys with Qmee, you can get your voice heard and influence your favorite brands. So your opinion helps you influence your favorite brands that you use on a daily basis. Earn and save when you shop with Qmee. So you can actually do shopping through the Qmee website here on the desktop, laptop, or through the app. They also help you get discounted codes to make purchases, and sometimes I believe they do rebates to get cash back. How do you get paid? How do paid surveys work? Excuse me. You get paid to provide online market research surveys, the best match for your profile. So basically, when you create your account, you're going to fill out your survey, your personal profile, And you're going to get a few surveys that's going to ask you certain preferences, like, you know, where you're from, are you married, do you have any kids, what type of industry do you work in, what type of income do you might produce per year annually. Some questions you don't have to answer at all. You're not mandatory to just answer everything, but they do want to narrow down your preference so they can best match you with the right surveys and get paid. And this is the bottom of the site here. You know, you can click here to join, log in. You know, there's another question asking you why Qmee, why use Qmee as a way to earn passive income? How does it work? Survey tips, privacy promise for any questions, FAQs, you know, about the contact information. And they also have social media icons over here, social media stickers, if you will, to click on and follow them on social media. I don't follow them anywhere. I just get busy. I get in the app, you know, and I knock my surveys out, and I make my money. So yeah, so that's Qmee. And yeah, so this is, again, if you're looking for a way to start making money right now, and this is not necessarily for people who need money, but this is just another way to have additional income coming in. Maybe you have a few bills that you want to cover. You know, maybe it's just money for commutes, or if you just want to grab some lunch and not always have to pay out of pocket. This is another quick and easy way for you to make money with Qmee. And yeah, check it out, guys. Link is in the description. I appreciate you guys watching to the end of this video. Make sure you drop a like if this video was informative to you. Again, my name is Self-Pay Qmee. This is Marvel Markets Network, and I appreciate you guys watching to the end of the video. Stay tuned for part 2 as I do a walkthrough in my back office, so I can show you guys exactly how the back office looks like and show you my earnings, show you how you can get paid out, and take a walkthrough and that type of side of the website. All right. So again, guys, I appreciate you. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, follow, and see you guys for part 2 later.